Hey, it's Alice Siva, and I can't wait to share my ideas for making money on the fly with you. These strategies are perfect for newbies and seasoned marketers alike. If we've never been met before, I've been helping my clients and customers to turn content into cash since 2002, and I've learned a trick or two about creating quick cash online. So register now for instant access to this fun and informative session where I shared a lot of strategies that you and your clients can put into action. Here are some of the details about the event you'd like to know, but if you're ready to grab your spot, just click the Add to Cart button right below this video or keep listening. I'll tell you all about it. Good jobs are scarce, and this seems to be a sad but true fact. But the good news is opportunities are abound if you know where to look for them. Just about anyone can leverage the power of the internet to create their own income opportunities and even replace their need for a traditional job. So what I want to do is show you and your clients and customers, if they need this information, that there are many ways you can achieve this goal, creating the lifestyle freedom you've always imagined. And speaking of your clients, you get full private label rights to all the recordings and transcripts. So this little conversation can turn into content for your blog, social media, membership site, products, bonuses, and more. And I promise it is good. Some of the things you, and if you want, your clients will learn are changing your mindset about what it takes to make good money in this modern world. How clinging to old ways keeps you from having the lifestyle freedom you've been dreaming of. How to match your skill set with a saleable product or service. And note, everyone can do this. Creative ways people make money quickly that you've probably never thought of. Must-know websites and apps for quick cash. And for seasoned marketers, leveraging your business assets to create money on the fly. Why you're already sitting on a gold mine and how you can get ready to leverage it in one afternoon. And my favorite is turning quick strategies into evergreen revenue streams, because I'm a firm believer that if you do the work once, you should benefit from it over and over again. Discovering the internet in 2002 was an amazing blessing to my life. I had just had a baby and was looking for a way to work from home and not have to return to work. Since those humble beginnings 17 years ago, I've spent less than 12 months at any type of traditional job and have had zero commute to work for over 10 years. I went from earning money on the fly and feeding my family to reinvesting some of that money and turning that into a rock-solid business. And I still have a lot of tricks up my sleeve as a bona fide business owner who can drum up quick cash anytime, and I want to share all those ideas with you so you can leverage all your skills and assets as well. And as a reminder, not only do you get the make money on the fly strategies for your own information, you'll be able to share this with your audience as well. This is content that you'll be able to brand, monetize, and publish as your own. You get full private label rights to the recordings and transcripts, which means you can turn all those strategies into blog posts, use the content in your membership site, share clips on social media, YouTube, and more. Offer this content as a bonus offer for your own products or a product you promote as an affiliate. Create a product from this content. Sky's the limit. Just remember to include your own promotion so you can maximize this content as you publish it. Use it to grow your list, get more customers and clients. It's all up to you.